All right, so we're moving beyond expressions now into equations. So expressions were things like 2x plus 4, but there was never any equal signs. As soon as you put an equal sign in there, then it becomes an equation. And to solve an equation, you always have to do the opposite of whatever your numbers are to move them away and get your pronumeral or your letter by itself. So you've done this for a few years now in 7 and 8. Let's have a talk about the opposites. What is the opposite of adding something? Yes. What's the opposite of timesing something? What's the opposite of subtracting something? Plussing. And what's the opposite of, what haven't I done yet? Dividing. Times, divide. So times and divides are opposites of each other, and adding and subtracting are opposites of each other. So we're going to start with one-step equations, which means you just have to do one little maneuver and you will solve the whole equation. These first ones are just adding and subtracting, not even doing the multiplying and dividing ones yet. So what you will see in each equation, the first thing you want to look for is the pronumeral, the letter. The first one is an N. N is your letter. It is what you're trying to find. Any numbers that are with it on the same side of the equation, any number that's minus 4, that's what we need to do the opposite of. Okay? So the opposite of a minus 4 is to plus 4. And we write our instructions underneath. We go a little plus 4 under both sides of the equation because we need to keep the two things equal, like a big giant scale. If you do something to one side, you have to do it to the other side, otherwise they're not equal anymore. Okay? So when you do that little plus 4, that means that these ones on the same side as the n are going to cancel out. N is now all by itself, and you just want to do exactly what this says here, 10 plus 4, which equals 14. Good. That's it. We're going to do lots of those. So let's do question 2. We have h plus 3 equals 15. So h is my pronumeral. The 3, the plus 3, is what I need to get rid of. What is the opposite? Yes, so we do minus 3 on the left side, minus 3 on the right side of the equal sign. We cross off the 3's that are with the h. H is by itself, and 15 minus 3 is 12 for the answer. Let's do some more. Question 3. M plus 6 equals 9. So M is my pronumeral. The plus 6 is what I have to get rid of. What is the opposite? Yeah, so minus 6, minus 6. Remember to cross them off. And then write down what is left. M equals 9 take away 6 is 3. Okay, K minus 9. So the minus 9 is what I have to get rid of. What is the opposite? Plus 9, plus 9. Okay, cross off those 9's. K equals, be careful, we've got negative numbers in here. What is negative 13 plus 9? Minus 4, very good. So you can do those things. You can type this out to calculator and then do 13 plus 9. Okay, question 5. F plus 3 equals minus 8. What is my opposite? Minus the 3. Cross off your 3's. F equals, very good, negative 11. And question 6, just to be a little bit different, it's minus 5 plus y. They put the number first. But the y, this is what we want, we still have to get rid of that. What's the opposite of that 5? The minus 5. Plus 5, so we put it under here and the other side to cross that off. Y will equal 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. All right, so that is adding and subtracting, and you're going to do this next page here,